Hi everyone, how are you guys feeling today? Tell me. Because I am feeling amazing. Sorry, but not sorry. आप पूछेंगे ऐसा क्या हो गया मैडम जो आप इतनी चौपी चौपी मूड में? So the thing is this. Okay, before that, I'd like to ask you this. आपका फेवरेट सीजन क्या है? Well, मेरा फेवरेट सीजन तो मॉनसून है. और बारिश में भीगना one of my favorite things. ऐसे बाहें खोल के शाहरुख खान स्टाइल में चेहरे पे बारिश की बूंदें ऐसी फील करना, ओहो हो, मजा आ जाता है. और उसके बाद जो ठंडी ठंडी ब्रीज, क्लाउड्स लिटरली कमिंग डाउन, ओ माय गॉड. रोमांटिक तो अपनी जगह है, बट ये फीलिंग अमेजिंग. और व्यू, आहा, आंखों से जो दिल को चैन और सुकून मिलता है ना, क्या ही कहें. आई नो आप लोग बोलोगे हाउ स्टूपिड ऑफ हर. डजंट शी नो कि अभी स्प्रिंग से हम समर में ट्रांजिट कर रहे हैं और उस बीच में ऐसा कंफ्यूजिंग वेदर जहां पर बारिश हो रही हो उसमें भीगना कैन बी सो रिस्की. वेल, लाइफ इज अ रिस्क बेबी, रिस्क इट. नो, एक्चुअली ऑनेस्टली मैं वो इंसान हूं जो दिल की सुनती है. और बारिश में भीगना मुझे बहुत खुशी देता है. सो आई जेन्युइनली फील इफ योर हार्ट इज हैप्पी, your mind is happy. And when your mind is happy, your body is happy. So, all in all, you are happy. Yay! So, 3 cheers for me. Yay! See, the thing is this. अगर आप किसी डॉक्टर के पास जाओ and you tell कि मैं 24/7, 365, I work, but I enjoy what I do. I love what I do. डॉक्टर बोलेगा, ये सब तो ठीक है यार. But you still need to give yourself rest. You still need to take break. Because this way you will overexert, overhaul yourself, overstress yourself. Exactly वैसे ही मैंने भी ब्रेक लिया. So इस एपिसोड का हमारा टाइटल है #ब्रेक तो बनता है. See, as much as I was enjoying spending time with myself, working on myself, knowing myself, being friends with myself, there were moments where things were getting difficult. Those moments were the moments where somewhere I wanted to give up, which is why I was pushing myself. But then there were moments where it was tiresome. It was not like I wanted to give up. It was just tiresome. And my mind and my body wanted a break from it. So I allowed myself that break. Because I genuinely believe no matter how much ever you love something, you need to take break so that you can come back to it with a fresher approach, more excited, far much more rejuvenated, and to make it work like anything. This will not only give you a fresher perspective, but make sure that whatever you love doing, that fire of excitement will always be alive. So there were days that I decided not to make any selfie videos. There were days when I decided not to write any letters to myself. There were days when I was like, no, today I will take a break from working on myself. I will just do whatever I feel like. Maybe just step out for some food or drinks, alone or with friends, not a problem. However, available है कोई friend जाने के लिए, ठीक है. नहीं है तो अपन तो अपने वैसे ही दोस्त बन रहे हैं. Let's go. Have you ever heard people saying, don't let the child die in you, and yet don't be childish? Well, what they mean is that have the childlike qualities, retain those childlike qualities. Being unabashed, unfazed, transparent, expressive, pure, innocent like a child, just carefree. Exactly. That's what I did. I just went ahead and expressed myself in whichever way I wanted. I did the things that made me laugh, made me smile. Like, for example, if in that moment I wanted to dance, whether there's music or not, that's a different thing. But I danced. I didn't care whether it was my room, whether it was on the road. And you can ask, I still do that. My friends are like, she's capable of doing such things. But it brought a smile to my face, and that's what I wanted at that point of time. I'm a pathetic singer. Singing quality to meri matlab. Let's not even go there. But I'll sing if I want to. Not just the bathroom, anywhere I felt like. I'll sing my heart out. क्या कर लोगे? Like, if I wanted to laugh, I laugh. And I don't know why do people say this thing, oh, हंसने की कोई वजह तो होनी चाहिए. क्यों? बेवजह हंसने की कोशिश करो. I swear it is relieving. मेरा मन कर रहा है हंसने का, मैं हंस रही हूँ. I remember I used to take walks, random walks, not deciding कि मुझे किधर जाना है. I just step out of the house and I'll जिधर मन करेगा ना मैं उधर चलने लगूंगी. I'll take a walk. Must if I have access to earphones or headphones or music, I will. If not, then I'll just walk and enjoy the music of my thoughts, of myself, and I will just walk around, smile, laugh, look at somebody and laugh, smile and go without any reason. And you know what it did? It made the other person also smile. And when people say smile is infectious, it is contagious as hell. As heaven, actually. And the more I get those smiles in return, the more bigger smile I'll have for the next person. And that was making me all the more smile because it felt like the world is such a happy place. It's such a nice place. In spite of the fact there's honking and everything happening, it didn't make a difference because I was in a happy mood. And you can see it right now. But yes. And one more thing that I did, I didn't care whether I had any reason to be happy, whether I had any reason to get dressed up. I didn't care whether I had any company to go out. I just did what I felt like doing without being dependent on anybody or anything. बच्चों को देखा है आपने? आप कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे हो, ऐसे देखते देखते हंसने लगेंगे अचानक से. And even the smallest of things you'll do, hawkish bachcha, and they'll start smiling and laughing. For us, it will be like, what was there to laugh? But for a child, the child is not looking for reasons. The child just laughs because probably they just want to. And when it's very genuine, nobody feels offended. Nobody makes a and even if they would have, who cares? End of the day, I am the carefree child who does not give a. But even if I might have, then like a baby, like a bachcha, genuinely दिल से प्यार से एक smile के साथ, sorry, I'm so sorry I did this. And trust me, when people say happiness is contagious, smile is forgiving. If you smile and you genuinely mean it, people are ready to let it go. Happiness might be a state of mind, but for me, it became a decision, a promise to myself that no matter what, I will smile. एक लाइन है बैंड बाजा बारात फिल्म के सॉन्ग की, तरकीबे करके एक सॉन्ग है. उसमें एक लाइन है, बेपरवाह मुस्कानों से ही मसले हल होते हैं. मसले मीन्स प्रॉब्लम्स, difficulties, and beparwa means carefree smiles shoo away your problems in life. And that is so true. So I decided to smile no matter what. I decided to be happy no matter what. And these breaks where I allowed and let myself be or do whatever I felt like in that very moment, not only made me come back to working on myself with all the more excitement, but with far much fresher perspective as well. Somewhere because of this so-called society and world and the burden that everybody puts on you. Oh, you've grown up, you have to behave like this. I realized that I was killing the child in me all this while. One of the biggest reasons of me not being as happy as I wanted to be or I should have been. These breaks actually brought back the child in me. It is then and now that there have been a lot of ups and downs in my life, lot of situations in my life with me, with my family, with my loved ones. And people have always asked, how do you keep your calm? How do you still have a smile? Oh, is मुस्कान के पीछे बहुत दर्द होगा. इस मुस्कान के पीछे सिर्फ मुस्कान है. That child is the reason that I can be smiling and happy in whatever situation. That child is the strength. People think that being mature is being serious and boring. कहाँ लिखा है ये? किधर लिखा है? Please मुझे बताना. We are the culprits who burden ourselves. चाहे वो सोसाइटी के नाम पर हो, चाहे जो भी हो, कि अरे we need to act our age. What is this act our age? How does that mean anywhere that you've got to be boring, you've got to be serious, you've got to be torturous, not to just others, but to yourself as well? One can be mature and sensible while letting the child be alive inside you, while having those fun moments, taking those breaks, not thinking, just being carefree, and just letting go. So, break लो यार, or allow that child to come back to you. Trust me. As much as I was becoming friends with myself and taking steps towards from liking to love, इस बच्चे से मुझे बहुत प्यार हो गया था. Till date, I've not let this बच्चा go anywhere. Don't let the child in you go anywhere. It's amazing. एक बार try तो करो. Because आप stress लेना कम कर देते हो. Just observe a child. You'll see. It's so amazing. Children can teach you so much. Nobody can. At least life को जीने का सलीका और तरीका बच्चों से अच्छा किसी से नहीं मिलता. मस्त रहते हैं. अभी गिरे, पड़े, रोए, फिर उठे, फिर खेलने लग गए. They don't carry their past. They might learn from their mistakes, yes, but they don't carry the burden of the past. That is so beautiful. To have a happy life, you need to let go of the past. And they don't worry about the future either. और आप किसी भी सेंट को देख लो, किसी भी डॉक्टर को देख लो, किसी भी साइकोलॉजिस्ट को देख लो, किसी भी थेरेपिस्ट को देख लो, साइकाट्रिस्ट को, everybody will say the same. Let go of the past and don't worry about the future. Be in the present because present is a gift. ये कोट्स हैं, बट ये कोट्स अगर आप देखना चाहो तो आपके पास लाइव एग्जाम्पल एक बच्चा होता है. एंड इफ यू अलाउ दैट चाइल्ड विद इन यू कम बैक, लिव, किसी थेरेपिस्ट की जरूरत ही नहीं होगी. सॉरी, मैं किसी का बिजनेस नहीं बंद करवाना चाहती, बट सो बी लाइक अ चाइल्ड, गिव योरसेल्फ दैट ब्रेक, be carefree, be easy, stop finding reasons to be happy. Just be happy because you want to. And I'll tell you something. This in turn will not only make you more happy, likable and all of that. Yes, that's a given. You will start liking and loving yourself all the more. Adios guys. आज के लिए इतना ही. I wish all of you an amazing day, a happy week and a carefree weekend. See you guys next Wednesday, 3rd April, for our 8th episode at 5 p.m. Till then, allow the child in you. Just like these Powerpuff Girls. Bye bye.